Good afternoon, students. In the fourth video, we have to see about Faraday and his experiments. Davy gave him permission to do experiment in his lab, but no support from Davy. Within a few days, within a short time, Faraday solved the problem. He solved the problem related to electromagnetism and its experiment. In fact, he went further. He became successful and the result was the first induction motor, and due to his hard work, now induction motor it was in the world, and he had that success in that experiment which converted electric current into continuous mechanical motion. What was induction motor? Induction motor is that which converted electric current into continuous mechanical motion, and this is one type of a big revolution in the world. The induction motor spurred a revolution, and because of that his experiment, because of his successful experiment, there was revolution in the world. Now our fans, air conditioning, sewing machines, photographs, power tools, car, trains, aeroplane, in all these things, these inductions motors, that things it is used, and by this ways this simple device it gives changes, it became very successful, and it made revolution in the world. Actually, Davy teased Faraday, but because of his teasing, here Faraday became successful and he became the great scientist. Faraday became a celebrity scientist overnight, and because of induction motor, now Faraday became great scientist within a short time. Nobody now cared about his social status or education. Now people only saw his experiments and his success. No one cared about his social status, his education, and anything else. Now he became a big celebrity. This young man had just created a revolution. What the people only remembered? People only remembered that this young man, he had done great revolution in the field of science. One would think as a teacher Davy was happy at his pupils' achievement. People thought that his mentor, his guide, Davy, maybe he become very happy to see the success of Faraday. But it was not like that. In reality, reality was totally different. What was reality? Davy, he had lot of jealous about Faraday. But in reality, he was jealous. People started telling Davy that all his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. And people, they were praising to Faraday. At the same time, their opinion was Davy, he is renowned scientist. And in all discoveries, which is the best discovery? Faraday is the best discovery. And when he heard opinion from the people about him and about Faraday, at that time he became more jealous about Faraday. And because of that, what was the result? This made him even more jealous, and he hated more and more to Faraday. An angry Davy gave Faraday an impossible task, and now Faraday, he became successful, and Davy, he became more angry. And in his anger, he gave Faraday an impossible task, very difficult work. What was the work? To keep him out of his way. He thought that now Faraday, he is disturbing his work, his experiments, and now he wanted to keep him aside. So what he had done? He handed him a piece of Bavarian glass. Here Bavarian glass. He gave him one type of glass, very special glass, which was used in the lenses in telescopes and microscopes. Bavarian glass, it is used in telescopes and microscopes. It is used as a lens there, and asked him to reverse engineer it, and he gave very difficult work to Faraday. It was impossible work for Faraday, but Faraday respected a lot to Davy, so he never rejected him. And here, Bavarian glass was manufactured by a secret, complicated process, and the process to make this Bavarian glass, it was very complicated and it was top secret, and it was difficult to find out reverse engineer to Faraday. And Davy knew that with the equipment available in the lab, Faraday would never be able to accomplish the task. And there was full guarantee to Davy with the help of equipment available in laboratory. Faraday never succeeded in this impossible task. He had full guarantee of that things. This piece of glass became significant thing in his life. Significant means very important, and that glass, Bavarian glass, played an important role in the life of Faraday. Faraday had a never give up attitude. Never give up means his attitude was never give up. He wanted to do any work continuously in any condition, and he respected Davy. He had lot of respect for his mentor, and he accepted the assignments. And here Faraday, he was ready to do the work, the task given by Davy. Despite knowing that it would be very difficult, even Faraday himself realized that this work, it is full with difficulties. Here it is not simple to do work on Bavarian glass, but due to respect of Davy, he was ready to accept challenge. He became challenger. He toiled for 4 years, and with on that Bavarian glass continuously he studied near about 4 years with no help from Davy and no support from his mentor, no support from Davy, and as expected failed. And what was the expectation of Davy? Definitely he will fail, because Bavarian glass manufacturing, it was very top secret and it was very complicated process. So who became failure? Faraday became failure. Faraday never learned the secret, and he never learned the secret of that Bavarian glass, and this remained his first failure as a scientist. And he became failure at the first time when he became very famous scientist, to remind himself of these difficult times, and he wanted to remind that incident. First I became failure, so what he had done, he kept a single glass brick on his shelf as a souvenir, and he wanted to remind that failure in his life, so he kept a single glass brick in his shelf as a souvenir. This would be inspire him during difficult times, and whenever Faraday faced different types of problems, at that time that small single glass brick reminded him once he became failure for this experiment. And by this way, here the task given by Davy, it was very difficult for Faraday. But Faraday, he was very hard worker scientist, and he wanted to do studies, experiment on that Bavarian glass, and that glass played an important role, significant role in his life. Now we will see glossary. Spur, encouraging someone to do something. Mockery, ridicule. Task, very difficult work, impossible work. Bavarian glass, a type of glass. Reverse engineer, to copy someone else's product by trying to figure out how it works. Next word is significant, means important. Toiled, worked very hard. Souvenir, memento or keepsake. Succeeded, come next after somebody and took his or her place. Difficult, hard, not easy. Complicated, very difficult to understand. Impossible, not possible. So by this way, here we completed fourth video. In the next video, we will again see the next part of the lesson. Thanks a lot.